Hello friends, this is CMA Vikas Chauhan. Today the topic is place of supply, which is very important topic in GST. First, we need to understand the basic nature of GST. GST is destination based consumption tax. It means the tax travels to the final consumption state where the goods or services or both are actually being consumed. Now, the kind of tax to be applied on supply decides which state will collect the tax as its revenue. Now, which type of tax is to be applied on supply is decided by the concept of place of supply. Now, there are two kinds of supply in GST. First one is intra-state supply, and the second is interstate supply. What is intra-state supply? Intra-state supply simply means when the location of supplier and place of supply is within same state. Option B, supply made to any foreign tourist, and supply made between two SEZ units or two SEZ developers. Now, interstate supply. Interstate supply means where the location of supplier and place of supply is within different states, two different UTs, or one state to another UT. Option B, supply of import and exports of goods or services or both. Now, interstate supply is prescribed under section number 8 of CGST Act, and intrastate supply is prescribed under section number 7 of CGST Act. Now, there are 2 points I have mentioned above: location of supplier and place of supply. What is the location of supplier? Location of supplier is the registered place of business of supplier. Now, the place of supply. Place of supply. We will understand the place of supply under two different sections. First, we will understand the place of supply of goods, which is dealt by the section number 10 and 11 of GST. Place of supply in case of goods. A, where the supply involves movement of goods. Place of supply shall be the termination points of delivery, termination points of movement. In case of bill to ship to, option B, in case of bill to ship to transaction, place of supply shall be location of buyer. In case of supply made to any registered person, the address of recipient available on record shall be the place of supply. In case assemble or installation, the location of installation shall be the place of supply. In case of import and export, in case of import, the location of supplier, location of importer shall be the place of supply. In case of export, location of outside India shall be the place of supply. Now, section number 12 of GST. In general, place of supply of services is location of recipient. If supply made to any unregistered person, the address available on record of the recipient. Now, specific provisions in case of place of supply of services. Supply in relation to any immovable property, the location of property shall be the place of supply. Supply in relation to any restaurant services, catering services, personal grooming, beauty, spa services shall be the location where the services are actually being performed. In case of goods transportation or courier services, if supply is made to registered person, then the place of business of registered person. If supply made to unregistered person, then place where the goods are actually being handed over. In case of passenger transportation services, supply, place of supply shall be, if provided to any registered person, Then the place of business of registered person. In case of unregistered person, the location where the passenger embarks on the conveyance. Thank you very much.